How to verify Wise account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can easily verify your Wise account. So without any delay, open your Wise website and make sure you are logged into your account. After you're logged in, it should look something like this. If you look into the settings of your Wise account, you'll find the different option for email settings, notification, the different connected accounts to your Wise account settings, and many more. So what I want to do is verify my Gmail account with my newly created Wise account. Click on the link sent by your Wise to your Gmail account. Once you navigate to your email, click on the link there and your email will be then verified. If you wish to fully verify your Wise account and start sending, receiving or making payments, you need to set up a recipient. Go ahead and go to the recipient section. Feel free to add yourself as a recipient. And of course, make sure to provide your bank details including your full name and the currency you wish to receive fund in through your Wise account. From here, you can verify where in the process of verification your Wise account is, and the most time it should take less than a week depending on your location. To set up a Wise account, once you are fully verified, your Wise account Once you have fully verified your Wise account, just give it a bit and you are ready to receive money into your Wise account. Just do note that you will receive an email confirmation on readiness to receive fund in your Wise account. If you have any other questions, you can always contact Wise through their help center. And with that, you'll be able to verify your Wise account. Thank you all for watching it till the end and stay tuned till our next upload.